Hi, I'm Debbie West. We're here filming Pet of the Month at the Bowling Green, Warren County Humane Society. And today we have Felix with us. Felix is such a sweet boy. He just wants a loving home, preferably one without cats. And Brandon is going to tell us all about Felix.
Hello. So Felix is 3 years old. He is an Australian cattle dog mix. He loves other dogs, particularly dogs his own size. Dogs that are smaller than him, it's hit and miss at times. He is not a fan of cats, by the way, so that's good to know. Very energetic, needs a big yard or someone who enjoys walks. He's a great dog. He's been here for about a month and a half now, so he is one of our longer residents.
And Felix is such a sweet boy. He's getting these head rubs and he just wants to lay down now. And he's such a sweet boy though. He would be a great pet for a family that's active and has a nice yard for him to run around in. He's just a good boy. So if you're interested in Felix, come on down, check out bgshelterpets.com or call 270-842-8572.